Good morning. Welcome in the class of Introduction to Dashboard in Tableau. In this class, we will try to analyze the performance of Indian agriculture sector by looking at the data of the World Bank country-wise data. So dashboard is a graphic user interface which provide at a glance view of the key performance indicator on a relevant topic. For detail, you can refer this link Wikipedia and you can read more about this. So we would like to try to prepare a dashboard of Indian agriculture sector performance analysis by looking at the data from 1961 to 2016. I picked up the data of population, area under cultivation, food performance index, livestock production index, employment in agriculture, percentage of total employment, agriculture, percentage contribution towards the GDP. So I have tried to prepare a dashboard like this. So World Bank have a huge data resources. They have a data on 1429 indicators on 265 countries from year 1960 onwards for each year data. So for this preparation of data file, you can refer my video of how to download the data from the website of the World Bank. So the title of this video is World Bank Country-Wise Data Resources, a suggestive list of useful indicator. So this is a link. Otherwise, you type on this on the YouTube, you able to find this video. This is of 8 minutes 6 seconds. This guide you how to download the data and how to prepare the Excel file. For this, you can refer my this video how to analyze World Bank country-wide data and analysis of Indian agriculture sector. So this is of 10-minute video, 10 minutes 50 seconds, and this is a link. You just type it on YouTube, you will able to find these videos. So this is the view which I said I would like to prepare the dashboard, and in this dashboard I am going to use the 6 different indicator. One is the total population data, agriculture land as a percentage of the land area, food production index, livestock production index, employment in agriculture, percentage of total employment, agriculture, percentage of the GDP. What is the contribution of the agriculture in the GDP sector? So to demonstrate, I am showing this is my Excel file. This is a year, population, agriculture land, food production index, livestock production index, agriculture, forestry, and fishing value added, percentage of GDP. Similarly, employment data. I don't have employment data of employment in agriculture, percentage of total employment. This data is available from the year 1990 onwards. Previous years, this data is not available on the website of the World Bank. So this is the kind of dashboard which I want to prepare in my Tableau. Okay, this is a view of the dashboard. This is 30 null is reflecting. I was not able to get data of this 30 years because data is available for this 60-61 onwards only. Okay, so now let's see. We start from the beginning and we will try to prepare this kind of a dashboard. I am opening a new sheet. Would like to connect to the file here. Just clicking on Excel. I save this file in Excel format only. Out of the entire data of the country, whatever is relevant, I picked up here only. I name this sheet as agriculture. Okay, data is being loaded here. So it will be loaded within a seconds. Okay, it takes few more seconds. I assume this is loaded now. This is my sheet 1. Automatically it has come, it appears. So this is year, population, agriculture land, all those different indicators. Employment null represents till because I have this data from the year 1991 onwards. Previously, this data was not available on the website of the World Bank. So I want to prepare various charts. Now, first I want to put year here. Then I want to see population growth. By default, this is coming as a line chart. I don't need a line chart. Rather, I have used an area chart. I picked up area. So this is blue color. It's okay. I just want to make population to label also, and I want to highlight only minimum and maximum value. This is my sheet 1. I want to name this, rather this is a sheet 2. I want to name this as rename population. Population growth, or total population is a better word. Total population. Fine. Once I click it here, automatically I find the sheet is also being named as a total population. I want to make it centered. I double click here, make it center, apply, OK. I can add some further text also. This is my sheet 1. This is again a blank sheet. This I want to use it for my, let's say, year. I want to say agriculture land. I want to see this is a stable line more or less. Again, I want to use an area map. This is my area map. Again, this agriculture land percentage, I put it to this place. Label, I want minimum maximum only. Minimum maximum only. Okay. And again, I want to rename this sheet as, agriculture land percentage of, I can rename like this also, or I just can click here. Okay, agriculture land percentage. Agriculture land percentage. By default it comes to right align. I want to make it middle aligned, centered aligned, apply, OK. So again, this I want to give it a green color. I just click here, rather I want to use a green color here. Third, I want to use, this is my year and this is my let's say food production index. I want to use it as a line chart only. I want to rename this food production index. Food production index. Okay. Again, I want to make it centered. Apply. Okay. I want to mark the label on also. So food production index, put to label mark, and I just want to use minimum maximum. Okay. Done. So food production index, it have gone up to almost 4 times. If I look at the population, from 45 crores to 132 crores, a little bit more than 3 times, but food production has gone up to the 4 times, more than 4 times. I want to make a next sheet. This is my year. This is my livestock production index. Okay. So again, I want to make my livestock production index as a line chart only, and I want to highlight only the cells representing here as, okay, minimum maximum. Okay. So my my livestock product index have gone up almost 6 times. So this I want to rename as livestock index. Okay. Again, I want to mark it centered, apply, OK. Done. So this is, next is the year, and here it is the employment in agriculture sector. So this is coming down. Again, here I want to use this area chart. So instead of this color, I want to use a color like purple. Okay. So this is my employment numbers. Mark the label on minimum maximum only. So employment in agriculture sector is decreasing and employment in other sectors of the industry or the country is increasing. I want to rename this as employment percentage in agriculture. Okay. Again, I want to make this centered. Done. Apply. Okay. And the last one is now, this is year, and this is my agriculture contribution towards the economy. Again, I want to use a area chart. So the contribution of agriculture sector towards the economy is now lesser towards the GDP. Okay, so I want a different color. I want to use this as a, let's say, pink color. Okay, let to mark this label on. This is a contribution towards the GDP. I want only maximum and minimum value. I want to rename this, or here I can double click also. Even by double clicking here I can rename this percentage contribution towards GDP. So this is how the agriculture sector is contributing towards the GDP. Okay, so now again rename this sheet. Contribution towards GDP. Okay, now I want to prepare a dashboard. This is a symbol which reflect a dashboard. I click here. So I want to make this as a layout. Instead of fixed, I want to make it a automatic layout. So this is my total population. Okay, this is it has gone from 45 crores to 132 crores. Next I said is a agriculture land. I want to use it here. So this is more or less remain stable. Almost around 60% is a area under cultivation in India. So we want to go ahead with this kind of the view. Next, food grain production. This is again I need to rename here. This is food dashboard, rename. This is food production index. Okay, I change it here, it will automatically get changed here. Go back to my dashboard. This is my food production. I make it here. Okay, after food production I want to use livestock index also. Okay, this is my livestock index. So food production from 31 to 144, almost more than 4 times. Livestock from 24 to 152, it has gone to 6 times. Employment in this sector, put it here. So once I talk about the employment in this sector, so employment in agriculture sector have come down from 65 to 45%. Last is a contribution towards the GDP. Okay, now I need to rearrange it. This is sufficient. This again need to be bit reduced. This again can be reduced. This need to be bit more. Okay, and give the title to this also. I want to give some title, show dashboard title. So dashboard title, you double click here. As I discussed earlier, you name this as Indian agriculture sector, INDIAN sector performance analysis. Performance analysis 1961 to 2017, sorry 16. I want to make it centered. You can make it bold also. You can make it a bold also. You can increase the size also. Instead of 18, I make it 20. Okay. So this is a header. Now if you go to the entire view screen, you find this is the view of your dashboard of the Indian agriculture sector. I picked up the key performance indicator like the population, agriculture land under cultivation, food production index, livestock index, employment in agriculture sector, and percentage contribution towards the GDP. So this is a introduction to the dashboard in the Tableau software. So dashboard is a very useful thing. So I hope that I am able to make sense. I am able to help you in learning of the dashboard. So you are requested to kindly subscribe this channel. It's taking time, as well as you can make your comment also, and your like will really motivate us. Thank you for viewing. If you need any further assistance, keep me posted. I will try to help you out. Thank you for watching this video.